when there is Aama buildup in the body, that causes toxicity, and that toxicity is very hazardous for health. Also, if you have arthritis problem, the vata goes haywire, we get arthritis problem. For such issues, a very important Triphala rasayan recipe is what I'm going to share. So what you would do, you would need 5 grams of Triphala. You will blend it in about 150 ml of water, apply it on an iron vessel and smear it on an iron vessel, leave it overnight untouched. Next morning, scrape it off and store it in a dry bottle. And after meals, so twice a day, morning and evening, you will have this 30 minutes after your meals. So you will take about 1 gram of Triphala powder, and you are going to blend it in 100 gram of water, warm water, and you will add 1 teaspoon of raw honey to it and drink it. Okay, this will be very effective remedy. You can increase the dosage or reduce the dosage as per the age, as per the complexity of the problem, and for that you can contact me. And this recipe is 100% very effective in treating all GI tract problems. So do try it out. Thank you.